How to delete Facebook account permanently without password. So if you want to delete your Facebook account permanently without password, then what you need to do is first open up your Facebook application. Now once you open up your Facebook, you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon, scroll all the way down, and then tap on settings and privacy and tap on settings. Now under settings, you need to go with the account center. On the account center, scroll down and go with the personal details, tap on account ownership and control, tap on deactivation or deletion, and choose your Facebook account that you would like to permanently delete, and then tap on delete account, go with continue and enter a reason and continue, and go with continue again and scroll down and go with continue, and it will ask you to enter your password, right? But if you don't remember your password, or if you don't have the password, then what you can do is just simply tap on forgot password and you can reset or recover your password. And once you reset or recover your password by tapping on forgot password, then you can simply follow the steps again and you can delete your Facebook account permanently. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.